Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sha, and in today's video y'all will be coming with me to find and make a Halloween outfit. So today is October 30th. I waited to the last minute to look for a Halloween outfit, but I want to be one of the characters from Inside Out, so I figured I'd make a shirt and decorate it. But since it's the 30th, I feel like Michael's is not going to have any shirts, so we'll figure that out. We're going to go to Michael's, see what they got, and then come back home and decorate these shirts to see what's up. So this price is actually really cheap, cheaper than what I expected. So I found two shirts. One, anger. One, disgust. That's just what we're going to have to do because I can't find yellow. I mean orange for anxiety. So if I would have found the orange shirt, I would have added these little like pipe cleaners to a headband. So that would have been the hair for anxiety. Alright y'all, so I'm back from the store and I ended up getting two shirts. Green and long sleeve because that's the only size that they had that I needed in long sleeve. And then I got red. I don't think this one is long sleeve. No, it's not. But of course this is going to be anger. And this is going to be disgust. So I'm about to hop on Etsy to see if they have any like faces that I could put on a shirt. So let's jump into my computer. Alright, so we're on Etsy and basically this is what I want the shirts to look like. Just like a face on a colored shirt. But that's not like a listing for the PNG, so I actually need to find a digital download in order to print it on my computer. Etsy did have a couple, but a couple of listings was kind of like confusing. So I'm just going to look for one that's just like tells me this is a PNG, this is a digital download. A lot of people sell transfers on Etsy now, so it kind of gets a little confusing and you really do have to read it. This listing right here was a PNG, so this is just the one that I'm just going to buy and I'm going to check out. So I just uploaded the files to the DTF machine, and I was just going to tell y'all like the DTF machine because I realized I don't tell y'all a lot about it, but it's a really good machine. It's the Pro Color Dual DTF. I had another DTF machine, but it stopped working, so I just decided to upgrade to this. It's a lot faster. Just thought I'll put that out there because a lot of the people was asking me in my last video, what DTF is that? Or they say the Panda machine, what is that? So it's a DTF printer. So it didn't take long for me to print and cure these transfers, probably like 10 minutes at the most. But this is the fear, and then this is the disgust. So guys, Y'all want to make sure that y'all have like an orange peel. I hope y'all can see it. Like type of look on the back of your transfers. That's how you'll know if they're done. I'm about to basically just press these. Let me show y'all what I'm pressing it on. Pressing this on the Signature Series HPM Heat Press Nation. And I'm going to first press this to get some of the moisture out. And this is an auto open. So I really love that. I could just like press it down and then it'll open up itself. That's like the best part about having this heat press because I can multitask. Voila. So I pressed the moisture out of it. Now I'm just going to add the transfers on there. And I usually go like 3 fingers below the collar. But already this looks good. So I'm going to let this one cool. Ooh, ow. And then I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to get the moisture out at first. Then I'm going to add this transfer. I always feel like I'm getting it wrong, but whatever. I'm gonna let this transfer cool, and then I'm gonna pull the other shirt over to do the second press. Alright, y'all, so this one looks good. Alright, y'all, so this is how they came out. Hope you guys can see them a little right, but this is the Disgust. Looks good. And then this is the Anger one. I really like this one. I think I might have to trade because I have the Disgust shirt and I made this one for somebody else. But I like Anger. Overall, these were super simple and really easy to make. They came out pretty fast and they were super cheap for quick little Halloween costumes. I do want to add like some little purple on it somewhere because Disgust, if you watch the movie, she did have like that little purple bow around her neck. So I might add a little razzle dazzle with some purple if I can find it. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below what outfit will you guys be wearing for Halloween if you partake in it, or what would your kids be dressed up as. But that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.